Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Bat Grip, updated. Start by removing old tape and cleaning the handle with rubbing alcohol until fully dry. Then measure and align the new grip so the seam sits where you prefer, usually on top of the handle, and wrap evenly with consistent tension to avoid lumps and maintain feel for your swing. Begin wrapping from the knob end and hold the grip taut while unrolling to the barrel, keeping consistent pressure so each layer overlaps by about 1/3, which prevents gaps and creates a uniform feel. Trim any excess and secure with finishing tape. Then test basic swings to confirm position and comfort, and rewrap if hot spots or slippage persist, aiming to maintain performance. Clean the grip occasionally with mild soap and water, and let it air dry. Inspect regularly for wear or reduced tackiness and replace when necessary. Experiment by moving the grip a touch toward your fingers for added control or toward the knob for increased power. And always test with practice swings before game use to ensure confidence and consistent hand placement during competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.